Hello, my geniuses. How are you? How are you doing today? I hope that you are fine. I am fine, thank you. Okay, guys, today teaching you about ABC order or alphabetical order. Okay? Now, alphabetical order is still taught in many schools, right? And it is important that you learn it, even though I do realize that people are quick to jump on the internet to search for the meaning of a word instead of using a dictionary. But when you go to college, and I know you will, my geniuses, this skill will be handy for you, okay? And even if you're in school right now, then I know that they are teaching alphabetical order. So it's only fair that I teach you so that, guess what? You are ahead, all right? So I'll jump right into it. Now guys, alphabetical order is how words are arranged in the dictionary, okay? So they are arranged, first you'll have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so that's how they are arranged, and that's what I'll be teaching you. So guys, look at this. Words beginning with A will come first in the dictionary. Alright? So all the words beginning with A will come first. And of course, even the words that begin with A will be arranged specifically in alphabetical order. So those that are, let's say, A, B, you will find them coming before A, C. You see what I'm talking about? Beautiful. Alright, let's jump right into it. So, here I have some words on the board. I have zoo, cat, dog, ant, right? Now, based on how these words are, you will look at the initial letter when you are placing words in alphabetical order, or as some people call it, ABC order. Okay? So you will look at the first letter in each word. Now, which one of these would come first in the alphabet? That is a question that you will ask yourself. And of course, if you said A, you are correct. So ant here would be first, right? Now, which one would come next in the alphabet? Is it C or is it D? And of course, it is C, right? So you would have cat be next. Naturally, dog would be next, right? Good. So dog would be next. And Z is all the way at the back. All the way, the last letter of the alphabet. So then you would have zoo. See how lovely that is? That is easy, right? Because all you have to know is the letters of the alphabet and how they are arranged. So a little tip for you is, if you are given words to arrange in alphabetical order, just ensure that you quickly write all the letters of the alphabet, and then you proceed to underline the first letter in each word, and voila, you got it. Now, if it were as easy as that, everybody would love alphabetical ordering, right? But this is where it gets a little more complicated. But don't worry about it, because I am here to help you and I am excited to do it. Alright, so let us look at B, B, B. All these three words, they start with the same letter. You got that? All of the three words here, they begin with the same letter. So what do you do then? In this case, my genius, you go on to the second letter. So now you will underline the second letter in each word, since the first letters all begin with the same letter. Alright? So now looking at the second letters, you will ask yourself, which one of these would come first in the dictionary? And of course, if you said A right here, ding, 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 you are correct. So band here would be the first word. Beautiful. Then, what next would come in the dictionary? Is it O or is it L? Is it L or is it O? And if you said L, you are correct. So black here would naturally be next. Good. And box would hold its same position at the end there. You got that? You love it, don't you? I know you would. All right. Now, here is where it gets a little bit more complicated than even the first letters being the same, right? So here we have the first and the second letters being the same. But my genius, you know what to do. Of course you do. You go on to the third letter. So you will go on to the third letter and underline it for me. Don't forget, so that you won't make any mistake, okay? So you are on to the third letter. And just like you did before, you are going to see which of these would come first in the dictionary. And if you said A, ding, 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 you are right. So Charles would be first. Then what would be next? Is it E for in the cherries? Or is it O in the chocolate? Huh? You are right, cherries. Cherries, naturally, okay? And then we would have chocolate. Beautiful job. So you see that wasn't hard? You see alphabetical ordering isn't hard, my genius? I told you, it's not hard. All right, now that you've mastered this, because I know you have. After all, I taught you, right? So now that you've mastered this, let me see how well you will do some activities for me. So my geniuses, these words you are going to arrange in alphabetical order for me. You think you can do these on your own? Do you think you can manage them on your own? Or you want me to help you? All right, since we are looking at them, might as well, right? All right, so remember, first thing, underline the first letter in each word once it is different. Good. So naturally, arch would be first. So we have arch, herald, zebra, right? H would be next. So we have herald being next. And then zebra, last letter of the alphabet, maintains its position, right? All right, good. Now what about this? Plague, dainty, ink. All different letters again, right? Which one of these letters would come first in the alphabet? If you said D, you are correct. So we would have dainty being first. Then, which one of these letters would come next? I. So ink would be next. And then plague would be last. Beautiful job. I love how you are getting this. All right, let's look at measles, mussels, March. And since all of them begin with the same letter, M, what would we do? I heard you, genius. Move on to the second letter in each word. Beautiful job. And again, A is there, so March would naturally be first. Which one of these would come next? Is it measles or music? Is it E or U? And if you said measles, you are correct. And then we will have music. Lovely, my geniuses. Or what about this one now? And again, the first letters are all the same. So we jump to the second letter. And A is there. Naturally, that's the first letter. So halt, halt, heart, hurry, right? So we have A, we have E here, so heart would be next. And then we have hurry. You guys are so good. You know, I enjoy doing this for you. You know, right? Yes, definitely. All right, look at this one now, guys. The two first letters are the same. So what should we do? Ding, 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 ding. Move on to the third letter. You are so good. So we are on to the third letter. Now, which word there comes first? If you said drain, of course you're correct because A is in that. A is there, so it's drain. Then is it O or I? O as in drop or I as in drill? Which one? Huh? I, you are correct. So we have drill be next. And then you'll have drop. All right, let's look at the last one now. Hoo-hoo! I know I would have given you a challenge. This one is the fourth letter. So all the three letters at the front are the same. Look, S-H-R, S-H-R, S-H-R. So we will go to the fourth letter. This is a challenge for you. So we have right here, fourth letter, right here, and right here, fourth letter. So which one of these come first? Is it E as in shred, I as in shrink, or U as in shrug? If you said shred, my genius, you are correct. So shred it is. And then which of these would come next? Shrink, you are right. And of course, the last one would be shrug. You got it! Guys, I want to thank you for joining me today. I want to thank you for subscribing to Reading Unlimited with Kadian. I appreciate you guys. Now, if you have not touched that notification bell, please touch it so you will be the first to know once a video has been uploaded. Okay? I want you to like and comment so that I can hear from you. And remember, go to Instagram at Reading Unlimited with 2 D's at the end so you can get your worksheet and other follow-up activities. All right, give me my hug. Thank you. Shake it. Thank you. Guys, I hope that you are looking in that mirror every morning. Continue to look in there. Don't care what anybody wants to say about you. Tell yourself you are beautiful. You are awesome. You're brilliant. You're amazing. You're the best person in the entire world. Speak it over yourself and mean it. Remember, be kind to yourself. But in so doing, be kind to others. And if you have nothing good to say about people, please say absolutely nothing at all. Have yourselves a great day.